All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Right now, I'm going to take a very short interview to our guest. Hey, what's up?
Fine.
All right, tell me your full name.
My full name is Shadul Goswami. My friends and my parents call me Shadul.
Okay, so wait, take it, quickly. All right. Okay.
Start.
All right, so next, tell me which one do you like most, Cox's Bazar or Patul?
Actually, I like Cox's Bazar and I also like Patul.
Okay, what's the specialty of Patul?
There are many things in Patul. Actually, it's beauty and it's beauty.
Thank you. So, do you recommend others to visit Patul?
Obviously, I recommend others foreigner because it refreshes our mind and body.
All right, what are the things that attract people to visit Patul?
There are many things attempt visit Patul. Sir, সমস্যা হচ্ছে.
All right, then continue. Yeah, that's good. All right, so why it is known as Patul?
Please repeat me question.
Why it is known as Patul?
Actually, beach of Patul besides a village, the name of village is Patul, so it's called Patul Beach.
Thank you. How many times have you visited here?
5 to 6 times.
All right, so thank you. Do you have any suggestion to develop Patul?
Obviously, government should be many steps in Patul Beach, special.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.